today's topic for class 11 is propagation of errors. So in this video lecture, we will study how errors are propagated. Okay. So in this, first we will discuss about addition and subtraction. Okay. So suppose we have given a physical quantity and that is suppose A, and it can be expressed as A is any physical quantity and it is measured value of A is written A plus minus delta A, and another we have B, that is written B plus minus delta B. So this is our error. In both the cases, this quantity is our error. Now we have to perform addition and subtraction. So there is a rule that in case of addition and subtraction, in both the cases, errors are always added. So there is a key point that errors are always added. Either it will be a case of addition or it will be a case of subtraction. Now we can take example. We have, suppose there is a physical quantity, we have A, and that is 12.0 plus minus 0.1. That is a physical quantity A, and we have another physical quantity that is B, and it is 8.5 plus minus 0.5. So both are in, we can take centimeters. Now we have to calculate first A plus B. So while we are adding two physical quantities, this can be written as the main values of A and B. So that is 12.0 plus 8.5. That should be added together, and then we have plus minus sign, and this delta, error values are added, always added. So that is 0.1 plus 0.6. So that is 12 plus 8, 20.5 plus minus 0.7. This is our result for the sum of two lengths. Okay. Similarly, when we have to perform their subtraction, okay, so we can do the same process. We have to find, in second case, A minus B. So these main values are only subtracted, and this error is always added. So here we can write 12.0 minus 8.5. This only gets subtracted, and errors are always added. So this one is 0.1 plus 0.6. So that is, when we subtract 8 from 8.5 from 12, we get 3.5, and this one plus minus 0.7. So this is the result for their subtraction. Now from these two, we can conclude that errors are always added. Either it is the case of addition or it is the case of subtraction. Now next, we are going to deal with the product of errors. Product of errors. Now suppose Here we are going to discuss product of errors. Now suppose we have a rectangle. This one is a rectangle A, B, C and D. And its length is 5.7 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. And its breadth is 3.4 plus minus 0.2 centimeter. Okay? So L is, this one is L and this one is plus minus delta L. This one is B plus minus delta B. And we have to find the area. We have to find the area of this rectangle. And we know that area is equal to L multiplied by B. Okay? But when we have to write the area, so in terms of error limits, we write area is equal to A plus minus delta A. So we have to calculate two values here. First one is area and second one is delta A. So for A, we know that formula is A is equal to L multiplied by B. So we have the values of L. L is 5.7 multiplied by 3.4. So when we perform the calculation, 5.7 multiplied by 3.4, that comes 19.38. That is 19.38, and we take decimal after one digit, then it becomes 19.4 centimeter. So this is the value of A. So A we have calculated, it is the value of A, and that is 19.4 centimeters. So A, I am writing 19.4 centimeters. Now we have to find delta A. So for delta A, we have to do another calculation, and that is using the concept of relative error. So we can write A is equal to L multiplied by B, or we can write it delta A upon A, that is equal to delta L upon L plus delta B upon B. Now from this we can write delta A is equal to delta L upon L plus delta B upon B whole multiplied by A. Now we have all the terms on right hand side known to us. So on basis of that we can find the value of delta A. So after substituting the value delta L is 0.1 and L is 5.7 plus delta B. Delta B is 0.2 and that should be divided by 3.4. And here A we have calculated, that is 19.4. So when we calculate it and we have to express it in one digit after decimal, so its answer is 1.5. So this is the value of delta A, that is 1.5. Now our answer will be, our answer area is equal to A plus minus delta A. So area we have calculated 19.4, this is centimeter square, 19.4 plus minus 1.5 centimeter square. So this is the required area with error limit. So In next lecture, we will discuss some more examples of propagation of errors.